Jnane priyasam udapasyanamantaiva sanamukharitang bhavadiyavartang Thane sthita sutigatang tanumang manobhi Je prayasha ajita jitapasi taisilakyam. The purport of this verse is that Jnane priyasam udapasya, one should give up his unnecessary endeavors for philosophical speculation about God. One should give it up. Jnane prayasam, because by speculation you cannot reach to the ultimate truth. How far? How can you just suppose we are speculating, very great scientists are speculating about the nature of the moon from here. But they are speculating, they have not come to any conclusion. So you go on speculating, which you have no experience. You go on speculating, but the real nature of that thing will never come to you. So Jnana Priyasam, especially for understanding God or God consciousness, a speculation is useless. So Lord Chaitanya, I mean to say, the Bhagavad says, the Jnana Priyasam Udapasa, that sort of endeavor, speculating, should be given up. Namanteva, it just becomes submissive. It just becomes submissive that what I am an insignificant creature in this universe. This world, this earth is an insignificant point in the universe. And within this earth, the America is a small spot. And within America, this New York City is another small spot. And in this New York City, I am there. So what is my importance? So we should understand that we are very insignificant in comparison to the creation of the whole cosmic situation and God. So we should be very submissive. We should understand our position. Artificially we should not be puffed up, the frog philosophy.